Happened near County Road 621 and FM 1960
and County Road 621 in Dayton. Air traffic equipment.
Hey Tom, as you can see behind me, there's a lot of work going on there trying to clear this scene. As you said, we're at a very rural part of Dayton, near County Road 621 and Highway 1960. The Amtrak train originated in Los Angeles and was headed to New Orleans. Now that Amtrak train, we are told, collided with an 18-wheeler. We do not know how the accident happened or who was at fault. DPS is now investigating the crash, but we've yet to get an official statement. Now, what we do know is 70 passengers were on the Amtrak train. The accident sent about 17 people to the hospital. Amtrak officials say the train did not derail, but sustained some damage. The Atascocita Fire Department dispatched their ambulance bus to treat passengers here at the scene. The 17 passengers that were taken to Liberty Dayton Hospital all had minor injuries. Giselle Hernandez lives nearby.
My heart dropped. I can tell you that. My heart dropped. I thought the train actually came out the railroad track and was gonna hit the house or something because that's how loud it was.
Now, from what we understand, the Amtrak train is now on its way to Houston. Again, 17 passengers were taken to the hospital with minor injuries. The Department of Public Safety is continuing to investigate this accident. Reporting live from Dayton.